Oh, hello, that's my favorite place here on the roof. I show you a little around in the financial district in New York. So people say why I repeat myself with these videos, and of course it's repetitive, and it's like doing a diet. You always have to get remembered. You can't cheat. The strategy of value investing is to focus on the core basis, and that means you buy boring, dividend paying, like great stocks, what Warren Buffett is doing, and you just have to remind yourself always it's what is the strategy, how does it work, and studies show clearly that this strategy is long-term the best, like rock solid dividend paying stocks, great balance sheet, and so on. And it's like having a diet, and you walk around, you see some cakes, and you walk in and you cheat. That's like option trading or some high-flying stocks. That's kind of that thing. The same with sports. You should train and you focus on your training, and you can't be like for weeks lazy. And it's always the same. Like you have to focus on the strategy. What is the heart of the strategy, and you just do it and you focus on it, and you will do fabulously well or long term. And but you always have to remind yourself, how does it work? And there's so much financial pornography, they say, financial porn, the industry. There's so much digital news and so much overdone, so much anxiety is produced and crashes pronounced, and you just you buy rock solid things, rock solid stocks, and you keep on adding to them. You don't have to sell them, and you don't need to read every little news that is blown up into an elephant, because most of the news are just unnecessary to write articles about them. There's so much stuff out there online and so on, and in the cable news there's just is so much bullshit also. Just focus on the core news, what is important to know, what is the company doing, and the main strategy. If the stock is the earnings are penny up or down, it doesn't really matter in a quarter or so. The most important thing is that the long-term strategy makes sense, and that they pay a nice dividend, and maybe that they increase the dividend. It's like Pepsi, for example. They increased the dividend for 43 years in a row. That's an aristocrat. That's what you want. These kind of stocks, they're like machines. Okay, that's all for today, and I give you another view of the financial district.